so beautiful. Also, it's been raining so much, which is obviously increasing the beauty. But oh my gosh, why have I never explored this way? Can you hear that? That's stunning. So I've moved house a lot in the last couple of years. And I've been looking in the most recent house. I've been hoping that there is some kind of water nearby, because I've just been kind of doing my route that I need to do without exploring. So today I've come out to explore a little bit, and I'm very happy to tell you that I have found something quite homely and nice, and exactly what I wanted to find. I'm not really that far from home, but something about seeing a burnt out car brings me even closer. You know? Maybe you don't. I know.